To make your job easier at the end of the day, the Winterhalter machine has a drain down facility. Always be sure to use this. Ensure the machine is empty and contains no racks. Salt should be refilled at the end of the day to prevent contamination of wash water. Do not remove any of the filters from the machine and close the hood. Press and hold the drain down button for 3 seconds. This icon will appear when the process has started. The machine will automatically close down and the screen will go blank. Switch off the machine at the mains. Open the hood and remove the wash arms, filters and filter bed ready for cleaning. Wash arms and filters should be washed in a sink, ensuring all dirt and food particles are removed. Clean the inside of the machine using a clean, damp cloth. Wash arms and filters should be placed back in the machine and securely positioned in place. Semi-close the hood, allowing for some air to circulate. If any items are pre-washed prior to loading into the machine, ensure that these are thoroughly rinsed off with water. Never interrupt the wash cycle. Never try to wash items that are not intended for the machine. Always ensure you have the correct chemicals along with the salt and that they are all full. Look out for any errors on the screen. Stack the baskets correctly. Keep the machine clean. If you look after the machine will look after you.